Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how to set up a saved search within Command, and there's been a recent update. It used to be that when you set up a saved search for one of your contacts, that they would have to have already created an account on your My KW app or your KW agent site by logging in. Now you can create a saved search for any of your contacts. They will actually receive an email asking for their consent to receive those updates. And then they can just confirm in that email and begin receiving those notifications of new listings that meet their criteria, which is great. So I'm going to show you how to set up that saved search today and kind of explain and show you what the email will be to get their consent afterwards. So in your command contacts, we're already on the command contacts here. You can just go into any of your contacts. So we'll just choose this guy right here. And once you're viewing the contact profile, the Saved Searches tab is over here on the far right. You can go ahead and create a saved search. And again, if I didn't say it at the top, this is just setting certain criteria like what they are looking for in a property so that as properties come onto the market that meet that criteria, they will receive notifications either on your KW app when they're logged in, your KW agent site when they're logged in, and if they don't have either one of those accounts, they can also receive email notifications. So here we go, right here on the screen. You can search by and set the area either by entering a neighborhood, zip code, city, even a school attendance zone, or choose custom. Custom will allow you to actually draw an area on the map. So we'll just zoom in here. You can use the plus and minus to back in and out. And you can just choose an area by clicking on the hand and drawing any shape on the map that you would like to. Once you've drawn that area, scroll down and now you can set up the different criteria, minimum, max price, choose any of the amenities that you would like to. You can also choose different property types or uncheck them if you want. Listing status, active, pending, and coming soon. Now, please know when you're setting this up as an agent within your command, these are going to be for sale properties. If the contact is actually looking for rental properties or even sold properties, they can set that up themselves within your My KW app or your KW agent site. But for you, the agent, setting this up through command, it will only allow you to set it up for sale properties. Go ahead and finish setting up the criteria that you would like and choose next. Here, go ahead and save a title for this particular saved search. Usually using the name of the area or zip code will help best, and that way you can tell which saved search is for which area. And down at the bottom, this is where you get to choose email notifications. Now, any of your contacts that you set this up for can receive email notifications, even if they have access to your My KW app or your KW agent site. If they want emails, then that's great. You can choose it here and decide what frequency you would like them to receive it as. But again, if they don't have that account set up for your My KW app or your KW agent site, you'll definitely want to toggle on the email notifications because this is how they would be notified of new listings that meet their criteria. Choose any of the email frequency that you would like. Notice they've just updated this as well to let you know when that email would actually go out to them. And once you check the frequency that you would like, go ahead and create a saved search. You'll see within command a pending acceptance notification right here. An email has just now gone out to this particular contact, and I'll show you a sample of what that email may look like. Right here on the left-hand side, this photo was taken from a KW article. And so here on the left-hand side, you can see it's a similar layout to a smart plan email or things like that that go out from KW, but it has a brief blurb to let the person know that you have created a saved search for them, and they need to click this button right here in the middle to say, yes, I would like to receive updates. By doing that, they've agreed to be able to receive emails from you, marketing emails from you, and then they'll begin receiving the emails from your saved searches as properties come on the market that match the criteria within the saved search. If you have any questions about this at all, please reach out to us via email at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.